So we have an app, Bible Chat, daily guidance, study, and prayer. So let's just install it in here. So here's the app. Bible study made simple. Step into living world. Heaven isn't just an app; it's a personal guide to draw closer to God and discover unshakable peace. With hand-picked daily verses, thoughtful devotionals, and heartfelt prayers right into your pocket, every moment becomes an opportunity to grow in faith. Tap to explore the Bible, dive into rich verse citation, or ask heaven unseen. God's wisdom will flood your heart, strengthen your relationship, and reshape your life in beautiful, unexpected ways. People like this app, and there are a lot of new Bible chat apps these days. And then you can then just continue in here. So then that's how it started. And then so then you just have some questions, and it's a really nice design. It's really nice flow in here. And then you can just see the details. So something that's just what you have in here. So yeah, and then you just proceed in this, and then it's kind of onboards you, and there is some limited version, but yeah, eventually then you can start using it. So that's basically the idea.